The Tailor bird. The Tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with material like thread and wool to build its nest. This is why it is called the Tailor bird. The nest is made cozy with cotton, wool, hair, or dry grass. The Weaver bird. The weaver bird makes a beautiful and strong nest with twigs and grass. It weaves the grass in and out rapidly. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The bird enters its home through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. The eagle. Birds like the eagle and the vulture make nests by gathering a few sticks and simply putting them together in the shape of a shallow cup. The woodpecker. The woodpecker pecks a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. To make its nest cozy, it lined the hole with chips or food. The penguin. The penguin collects a few pebbles and stones to make a nest on the ground. Eagles and their nest. A woodpecker and its nest. Penguins and their nest. Parental care in birds. When the nest is ready, a female bird lays eggs in it. Both our male and female birds sit on the eggs one by one to keep them warm. When the baby birds grow fully inside the eggs, they break the eggshell and come out. This process is called hatching. The baby birds are very weak. They have no feather. Their eyes are closed. They need the care of their parents. Fact 5. Cuckoo is called a lazy bird because it does not make a nest of its own. The parents bring food for the baby birds and feed them with their beaks. The baby birds grow very fast. They develop feathers in a few days. Then their parents teach them how to fly and how to find food. The young ones of hens and ducks have feathers. When they come out of the eggs, they start running at the moment they are born. The female bird lays eggs. Baby birds come out of the egg. Hen with her chicks. In a nutshell, birds are the only creature that have feathers. Every part of a bird's body is suited for flying. A bird makes upstroke and downstroke movements with its wings during flying. Birds build nests to lay eggs. Parental care is highly developed in birds.